Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and this is gonna be on this palette that I showed you guys in my last haul. This is the Ciate London. It's the Chloe Morello's Pretty Fun and Fearless Volume 2. That's what it looks like inside. So again, these are not colors that really stand out when you first look at the palette, but when you start to swatch it, they're beautiful. And this is the look that I came up with. I wanted to use this color here so bad, so that's the look that I came up with. And it came with this lip gloss. It's what I'm wearing. This is a little drying to me. Maybe I need to moisturize a little more before I use it, but I don't know. And then this is the liner that it came out with. It came with its Fierce Flicks. This is how it looks. So it was pretty easy to do the wing. It was just the wand itself isn't stiff, so it kind of moves as you're doing the line, but it's very dark, which I like. This is the mascara that it bring. It's called the Wonderland. Looks like that. I didn't use this because when I started to do my makeup, I couldn't find it in this mess, but I found it. So what I have on today is just my Essence, what the hell is this called? Lash Princess from Essence. And yeah, so I want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is the palette that we're going to be using, and I hope the lighting is good. I don't know if you can see back here, my Hollywood light mirror isn't turning on, so I just have the ring light on right now. But this is the palette that we're going to use. I want to concentrate on doing more of like a green look today for some reason, because I really want to use this color, chartreuse. So I already did my face. I did everything because I want to save time, and I'm using the Super Stay foundation. I did a review on it. You can check that out. So we're just going to skip that step. What I do want to do is, I'm going to put a little bit of, this is my Coty Airspun. I'm going to take some and just put some down here just in case there's a lot of fallout. I don't want it to mess up my foundation. Alright, that should be fine. Let's start with, alright, so I'm gonna take this color here called Cocoa. It's like just a peachy nude color. I want to use that I want to use it as my transition color, and let's take that. The one next to it is more of a skin tone. It's Cornini, but I think it's about the color of my skin. I want something a little bit more peachier just to do the transition, and I can already see it's very pigmented. So it does have some kick up, but nothing dramatic. Okay, then I'm going to take this color here. It looks like a charcoal gray green kind of color. It's called Mecha right here, this one. So it looks like a muddy kind of color, but I want to just put that on the outer corner here. So since I'm doing like a green kind of color, I want to stay within those colors, you know. So it doesn't look very greeny. It looks kind of like just soft black kind of color, maybe with a little bit of gray in it, but it still looks nice to smoke it out with this color. So let's try this one. So I am liking how it's performing. It's kind of like I don't think it's something you need to run out and get, but it is nice. I mean, I like it. So I'm gonna go back with that cocoa color and try to clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna take this one here called Maroon, which is kind of like a greeny brown, and just keep that in the corner. I just want to make sure that it's smoky because the chartreuse color is very bright and I still want a smoky kind of look. Only because I don't want it to look like a spring look, you know? Like I still want it to be for this time of year. Even though yesterday was really nice. Yesterday was like 40 something, but it felt really, really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna take some Essence I Love Stage and just cut the crease a little in the front, but so I like to open my eyes to make sure that I come up a little further, just so that it doesn't look like it gets lost. Since my eyes are a little hooded, I like to do that. Alright, so now I'm going to take this little one from Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna go into that chartreuse color and I'm just gonna tap it, get some on there, and I'm gonna put it on dry first. I just want to see. Oh, this is nice. So that's the color, and it looks pretty good dry. But I think I want to wet the brush just to intensify it a little bit more. That's really pretty. So I'm gonna fix up the let me get a different brush. Take this one. This is from BH Cosmetics. It's their 104. It's just like a little fluffy angled one. I'm gonna go back in with Maroon and just intensify this a little bit more. Hey. And because it's angled, it gives it a sharper kind of, you know, look. Alright, now I'm gonna get this chartreuse color again, and I'm gonna spray it with my Fix Plus. And we're gonna put you down again. So that's how that looks. And I'm gonna take a little bit of this SOOO color, which is a little bit darker, and just wipe it down a little bit. I'm gonna take the back side of it with that color, and I'm gonna just put it down in the middle just to like have a different kind of transition between the dark and the light green. Like that. So you can't really see it much, but I like it. So I'm gonna spray it just to set that. So I'm gonna take this is the liner that came in the package. And that's how it looks. Really nice and easy. But I'm gonna put some black liner. I'm gonna take Scandalize. This is the waterproof from Rimmel. And so I'm gonna do a small wing, and hopefully I can. Alright, so it's nice. It isn't, the wand itself isn't as stiff as I like it, so that I can get a sharp light. Like it does bend, but it's okay. So I'm gonna take this little brush from Wet n Wild. It's just like a flat little brush. I'm gonna take that maroon color again, and I'm gonna just put that on the bottom, really close to my lash line. Alright, so I'm gonna do mascara, 1001 coats. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll be right back. That's how the look is, and I really like how it looked. I like how it turned out. I like that there wasn't that much fallout. I am going to this is the gloss that came in with it. It's a liquid velvet in the color Sydney, but I need a liner, so I'm gonna go in with this Spice from Milani. I'm just gonna outline my lips since I have no lip lines. Actually, let me wipe off some of this foundation. So I filled it in just a bit. Now I'm gonna take this and let's see. So the fact that it's pointy makes it easy to line your lips with it. It feels drying though. I don't know if this is matte. Liquid velvet is all it says, but I feel like it's gonna be a little dry. So this is the final look, and this is the palette. It's from Ciate London. Those are the colors. Again, it isn't something that I feel like you need to run out and get, but I do love a lot of these shimmery colors. You know, I think you can do a lot of looks with it, and now for the summer I think they're gonna look so pretty. This platinum color here, I'm gonna just take a little bit on this little brush, and I think I want to put you right here. Right there. I think that looks so pretty. So let me just blend you out a little bit. So yeah, this is the palette. This is the look. I really like it. For I think it was $37. I think it was on sale. I've never heard of it. I've never seen anyone talk about it, so I figured I'd pick it up, do a look with it, and I really like how this look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me if you would hit that subscribe button. And any looks you want to see coming up, I mean, I don't know if you want to see a Valentine's Day look or something like that, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.